Today, I'm going to show you ribbon embroidery design. If you are working with synthetic ribbon, you may want to use a fabric with a more open weave. As you are stitching, if you have trouble pulling the needle through, use a larger needle to make the holes before each stitch or switch to a looser fabric. Fabrics with a looser weave such as muslin, cotton, Aida, linen, floss sack or Osnaburg are good. These fabrics have a lower thread count than what we might consider as appropriate for bed linens or sheets. Find DIY Stitching YouTube channel for more stitching ideas. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Pure silk ribbon is often a suggested preferred ribbon, but there are other good quality ribbon types available, including rayon, satin. Even weave embroidery fabric is a medium to heavyweight, coarsely woven plain weave fabric. The weave is a bit loose, making it easy to pull the needle and thread through. If it's just being a little tough, try using some little round rubber needle grabbers that you can get in the quilting section. When working with ribbon in the needle, it is essential to use the correct size needle. The ribbon needs to pass through the eye of the needle easily. If the eye of the needle is too small, the ribbon will easily become damaged before you have even started to stitch with it. When working with 4mm, 7mm and 13mm ribbons, chenille needles ranging from sizes 20 to 16 work well. You can use tapestry embroidery needle as well, especially when you are doing ribbon embroidery or loosely woven fabrics. It has a blunt end which is great for making weaving stitches. The advantage of ribbon embroidery is that you can cover a lot of area with simple stitches in far less time and effort than you would with embroidery floss, but with greater impact and effect. Silk ribbon for ribbon embroidery is also available in 2mm, 4mm, 7mm and 13mm widths. Subscribe to Handiworks and press the bell icon to get notification for new videos. I post weekly videos right here on my YouTube channel. If you want more videos like this, go to the description box down below, and otherwise I'll see you in the next video.